My task is to set up and operate our 5-axis CNC milling machine. A significant change in my work method has been the availability of documents. With a single move, I have all the documents ready that I need to set up the order and accompany the processing operation. Yes, the switch to the new software helps me in that I have all the necessary documents and data at a glance. I can access drawings, see what quantities need to be produced, and no longer run the risk of any documents getting lost during transport. Definitely an added value.
I am a machine operator and machine setter, and we produce high precision, pressed and turned parts here. So for me as a machine operator, it is now easier to have access to the data we need. In other words, the paths are shortened between us and the supervisor. We simply have access to preparation and planning. So now you can see everything that is already planned and pre-planned for us to work on work tasks. We no longer need work cards. We don't have to organize with work cards anymore. But now we can simply have easy access and see everything.